Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from Forex card to Lloyds Bank account. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. So to get started with the process on how to send money from a Forex card to your Lloyds Bank account. So the first step is to transfer funds from your Forex card to your Indian bank account. So assuming your Forex card is from an Indian bank, so visit the issuing bank app or the website, which is your HDFC or your Axis bank. Then from there, log into your Forex card portal. There, find the option transfer balance to a bank account or Encash or the Encash card. Then after that, enter your Indian bank account, which is your Indian bank details, your name, your same name has on the card. Then submit and confirm. So processing time takes between 1 to 3 working days. Then fund will reflect in your Indian bank account. Then the next step is to send the fund to your Lloyds Bank, which is a UK-based account. Then once the money is in your Indian bank account, use the international transfer service like Wise, Western Union, Remitly, or you can also use your bank. You can also use the Indian Bank International Transfer option, which is the HDFC Net Banking. Then after that, provide your Lloyds Bank details, which is your name on the account, your IBAN, which is for UK 22 character account number for GB at the start. Then you can also apply your Swift BICS code, then sort code, and your account number. Then next thing is to enter the amount and reasons, for example, your personal remittance or any other thing. Then pay and complete. Then usually delivered within 1 to 2 business days, depends on the network. And that's how you can simply send money from your Forex card to your Lloyds bank account. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.